Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make this beautiful kurti draft pattern. It's very easy, so let's jump to the video. So to make this double layered kurti, we'll need around 3.5 meters of fabric. So fold it from the middle and cut it in two pieces. Then from one piece we'll make the inner layer and from the other piece we'll make the outer layer. So take one piece and fold it from the middle, and then from the center point we'll just mark our measurements. Half of your neckline. See how much deep you want your neckline to be, around 6.5 inches or 7 inches. Then make a square like this, and then we'll mark our shoulders. In my case it's 14 inches, so I'll take half of it, that is 7 inches, and make a point here. Now down around 7 inches we'll make our armhole here like this, and now make your waist point here, half of your waistline plus 2 inches, and then join these 2 points, armhole and waistline. And now we are making it here a A-line kurti. So you can take the length according to your height, and then just draw this slanting line to make a flared kurti. Now draw a round circle to make a neckline. Now from the bottom take 7 inches upward and mark a point here, and from the side of your flare mark 12 inches to the left side, and join these 2 points by making a round half circle like this. So this is our inner layer completed. Now cut this out. So this is how our inner layer will look like. This you can make from plain chiffon fabric or simple cotton plain fabric. And now we'll make the outer layer. So for that also take another piece and fold it from the middle, and just trace the outer layers, drafting all the drafting calculations whatever we had done. Neckline, armhole, waistline, the flare, and the middle circle also like this. Now from this point we'll take around 4 inches upward and mark a point, and from here also we'll take 4 inches and mark a point. Now join these 2 points by making a curve like this. Now we will cut this outer part also. So after cutting, this is how our outer part will look like. Now from the bottom, mark 7 inches upward. Suppose it will come here. So mark a point and make a straight line, and just cut this part. Because our outer layer is shorter, so we need to cut this. Okay, so this is how it will look like, our inner layer and the outer layer. See, and now we need to make our outer layers patchwork pattern. So from the center point of your neckline, just measure 2.5 inches. Suppose it will come here. So mark a point and make a straight line vertically like this. And from the bottom also mark around 5 inches. Suppose it will come here. Now make another straight line till your waistline. So this part also we'll cut. And now mark the around 4 inches from the shoulder point till the neckline. Suppose it will come here, and from your armhole point till your waistline 4 inches. And now join these 2 points by giving a slanting line like this. And now we will cut these 2 pieces. So see, this is how our both patterns will look. Now just cut it out. And these 2 pieces we will make with the different fabric, and in the design we can see it's made from the lace net fabric. So we'll also make it from the net lace fabric. Just cut this out, both the pieces. So these are our patterns ready. So this is our inner layer piece, and these are the outer layer pieces. We need to join all these pieces together. For that, just put all these pieces on top of the fabric and you need to cut it. So this piece and this piece you need to make from the lace net fabric, and rest 2 pieces are from normal cotton fabric. So just leave around ½ inch from the outer side of all the pieces to stitch it. Okay, you can leave around 1 inch also accordingly, and just join these pieces together. And then we need to put this outer layer on top of the inner layer piece, and just stitch it from the sides of your flares, the waistline, the armhole, the neckline, and likewise join these 2 pieces together and make the neckline. As you know, I had already shared so many videos about the making of neckline, so you can refer those. To give a finishing look onto this part, you need to do picot, and rest this part you can give a hemline, simple hemline, as we do in normal kurtis. So I hope I make all the points clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt, you can just comment down below. I'll answer your queries. I hope you enjoyed this drafting and cutting tutorial. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates. See you in the next video.